I was cleaning this rental the other day, and in doing so, I noticed the bottom of the toilet seat is pretty gross. And since this is wood that's soaked in, I would advise never to buy a wood toilet seat for a rental, but this one came with it. Let's head to the hardware store and grab a replacement. So I prefer the ones that are slow close, usually the ones that say will not loosen. And this is a pretty good price because these things wear out pretty easily. So we're gonna go with the American Standard. I got the seat home and unboxed it. Looks like it comes with a seat and some adapter parts. I'm gonna get this all unboxed and start the installation. But first I'm gonna take off the existing one. Toilet seat installations are super simple. They usually just require a screwdriver and undo 2 bolts, usually back here at the top. You can pop these guys off, and yep, looks like a Phillips for this one. So we'll just need to unscrew these. I had a Phillips and a flat just in case. And we'll just take that and get it loosened. Once you get it loosened, you may have to put your hand underneath to loosen it further. You'll notice underneath, you can see there's a bolt under there. So once we get that loosened enough, we can probably just finger untighten that. So I'm gonna do that now. Once we have both of those bolts out, at that point, we can just lift the toilet seat off. And mine seems to be a little stuck. Oh, here we go. So here's a random tip. Be careful if you set your nuts on the top, because I just did, and one fell in. So that was fun. Once we've cleaned off the back of the toilet where the other one was, we're gonna wanna pop these guys open, which these pop the other way, looks like, so they could pop from either direction, and line those holes up. Then we're gonna grab our bolts, stick those guys through, and then at this point, we're gonna open back up these guys. These are special, these are the first that I've seen like this. I'm gonna open those back up. So once those are open, again, that allows for rapid installation. We'll hold our bolt, push it up in there, and let it clip. So I'll give you guys a view of what that looks like. So then, from then forward, we can screw it manually in just to get it tightened. I'm gonna do that now. When you're doing your final tightening with the screwdriver, you're gonna wanna use your screwdriver from the top and hold the bolt from the bottom. And it's very important that you do not over tighten these guys. Also, right before you tighten, you're gonna wanna make sure that your toilet seat is lined up appropriately so that it matches and looks good. And it'll give you a little bit of adjustment in the back. But once you've got it all screwed in, you pop it down and you are good to go. You just installed a toilet seat. See y'all next time.